How to use or how to redeem your Westjet dollars. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Vesnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or redeem your Westjet dollars. Well, I'll just be guiding you through. Well, redeeming your Westjet dollars is quite easy. You can use your Westjet dollars to pay for flights or vacation packages. Redeem as few or as many as you want on the base fare portion of the economy, premium or business fares, or pay the full base fare with the Westjet dollars when you choose a member exclusive fare. You can also use them towards the base package price of any eligible Westjet vacations or eligible Sunwing vacations booking. So, hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues, and also do note one Westjet dollar is equivalent to $1 Canadian when redeemed on the base fare portion of an eligible flight or vacation packages. Westjet dollars cannot be used towards the payment of taxes, fees or charges.